Hi everyone, today is my first time doing this video. So what happened is that today my boss is actually very good. So what happened is that he give me this tool for free. It's a hard work that pay off. So what happened is that I'm going to do an unboxing for this one. So let's get it started. So the first one, let's open this. Actually, what do I want to get? Actually, I want to get a Jurassic history with this egg here. Then another one will be this special tour bus. Right? So let's get it started. Let's see what I get. Let's see. Oh. Let me see what did I get. Ta-da! Woo! Okay, next. So I get the first one that I want. So the second one. Let's see what do I get. Alright. Let's open this. If you got secret, then it will be the best. Alright. So let's see. What do I get? Oh wow. I just get what I want. Okay. So let me show you. Woohoo! Oh, this is awesome. Come. Let's see. Right, so I get what I actually wanted. So I'm going to assemble them and I'll show you shortly. Ooh, see, so cute. Oh, that's like me. Okay, let's assemble them. So how should I put it? This is the egg yolk, is it? Okay, really, this is the egg yolk. Eh, not egg yolk, it's it white lah. Alamak. Okay. Let's see. Oh. Oh. So I don't know how to close it. Let me just figure it out. Hold on. Oh. Okay. This actually there's a line for it lah. So you will need to go and figure it out how to actually close this thing. But ayo, so annoying. Ayo. Don't know how lah. 就这样咯。Let's see. 好。Voila. How do I close it? Oh, this is irritating. Let's see. Oh. Like that? Oh, so it's just like that. Okay. So I should turn this thing. Put it like that. Follow the line, pop it in, so it's just like this. Okay, the first one is done. So let's get on to the second one. Okay, so the second one come with an instruction manual. Let's see. Very keen in the figurine. So let's see how it looks. Oh, it's like that. Hey, so cool. Oh. Okay. Let's assemble it. Okay. Here goes nothing. Let's do it. So I just actually open up everything. So later once I fix it, it will be easier rather than one by one. Okay. Let's see the instruction. So actually quite fun though, this one. Actually literally it's like a Lego that you have to fix this, fix that. Oh. Huh? Oh. So it actually works like this. So these two plastic thing, you just have to put it together. And here comes the fun part, which is this one. This will be put it here. How come there is this crack hole here? That is for what is it for? Let's see. I think it's for the mini dinosaur to stand on it. Okay. Okay. Oh. So it comes with this little stopper to actually stop the thing from rolling, if I'm not wrong. Correct me if I'm not wrong. So it's just like that, right? Okay. This thing is magnet. Wow. You see? It just stuck on it. Oh, this is so cool. Alright. Example, the details look something like this. It's so cute and it's so adorable. As you can see the detail, it was quite nice, you see. And this is the one. It's pretty cute. Alright, so that's all for my unboxing. So, and I got these two that I actually wanted just now. Alright, so thank you for watching. Goodbye.